Well, here we go. Headed down to check out Sea Trial on the new boat. Put an offer in on this week. So very much hoping this one checks out. So far it looks really good. It's a Silverton 34. A little bigger. Should do the job though. In August 2024, I bought an older vessel from Facebook Marketplace and spent a few weeks with surveyors, friends, and mechanics, making sure the vessel would be safe enough to take on an ocean voyage before the summer was over. The plan was to take a 10-day solo trip to Desolation Sound with my keyboards, sound system, and cameras. This would be a stress test on the boat and myself. I had no idea what I was in for. Day 2 at Jedediah Marine Park. The weather calmed down, the sun came out. I took the kayak out to explore around the marine park. There was a little inlet. It was just gorgeous. The water was this beautiful green color. It was only about 5 or 6 feet deep. But wow, if I'd gotten the boat into there, that sure would have been a much more calm experience. But doing some calculations, I wasn't sure there'd be enough water, low tide, to float the boat. So, it'd be a fun spot for a smaller boat to come in. What a gorgeous place. The rock coming up out of the water was just stunning. The water was warm and calm. I am definitely going skinny dipping here. It's like a lovely little spot for a swim. Walking up onto the property on Jedediah Island. This used to be some kind of a homestead. There was a cabin here at some point with a beautiful view, but it looks like it burned to the ground in 2018. Interesting to see how one might make a cabin on this rocky ground. You can still see old roads and previous visits to the island. I remember seeing old abandoned buildings and livestock still wandering around the island. I returned to the vessel. I thought, it's time for some sheep.
Hey, you sheep. Hey, sheep. Bah. 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 Okay, never mind.
No, seriously, it's time to do some music. Babe, I wanna take you boating with me. I wanna take you out there in the pale blue sea. I wanna take you places that we've been before. Don't wanna ever hurt you no more. I don't know what happened between you and me. I just needed some time, and I hope that you'd see. Ooh, baby, I know that we're real. I just couldn't seem to describe how I feel. And I know it's probably too late. And I don't even know how I got to this place. And I hope you remember times together fondly. At that time by the fire, by the edge of the pond. You and me, baby, out there on the sea. I hope that there's nothing comes between you and me. And hey, baby, I know that it's late, but I just couldn't leave this to our own tragic fate. You know that I want you. You know that I care. Hope you know that I miss you. And all the things that we'd share. And if you forgive me, if you've still got my back, I think we can fix this. A new line of attack. I spent the remainder of the day working on music. I was starting to get that peace I'd been looking for. The next day was a different story.